Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Before I get on with the video, I'd like to special shout out. This is to Jeffrey Wooding from Birmingham, West Midlands, for making a beautiful donation to the channel. Thank you very much. Cheers, lad. In the description on every video there's a paypal.me if anybody would like to donate to the channel. Thank you very much. It'd be very welcome, so the channel doesn't make any money. Thank you. Cheers, Jeff. Well, today is the turn of the Zontes 350 GK model, and today it's removing the fuel tank. I mean, it's quite an intricate job on the GK model. The instructions for this video is in English. You might wonder why you would ever have to take the fuel tank off. And to be honest, a fuel pump going would be as likely as hen's teeth, really. They never go wrong. So the only other reason you'd have to take it off is if you were going to do a valve check, as it's fairly compact on top of the head there. Anyway, this is how to do it. It takes about 10 minutes to actually take all the fittings off to get to where you need to be. And it's a bit like a jigsaw puzzle, except that you have to do it in a certain order. If you do it in a certain order, then it becomes simple, rather than just diving in there and what to do next. So this is to show you how to do it. So this is obviously a dealer training video. All the dealers get training videos in respect, or they can request them if they need to do certain jobs that they're not sure how to do them. A lot of dealers tend to sell different makes and models of bikes within their shop. So specifically they might not know how to do a certain thing because they've never done it before on a particular model. So yeah, this is to show the dealers how to do a specific job. If you have your own mechanic that you use regular and you want him to do a certain thing, an oil filter change or whatever, check in one of my videos that show your particular bike. They're all in there. There's 1,700 videos on Zontes models on how to do a certain job, so you can train him to how to do it. He knows exactly what he's doing. And don't forget the playlist that I have videos in English subtitles, French subtitles, Spanish subtitles, Arabic subtitles, and the original Chinese subtitles as well. Please like the videos, leave any comment you wish to, and I always answer comments. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you have, then please, thank you very much for subscribing. And like I said earlier in the description of all the videos, there's a PayPal me if you would like to donate to the channel, because the channel doesn't make any money from YouTube. This is Mad Mick. I'm going to sign off. Thank you for watching. I will see you all later. Bye for now.